Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about our apps that we had created for you to use with YepText. So you'll notice at the bottom here, there's a little area that says want to manage your campaigns on the go. Now you can click the images to the left to find out how. So all you have to do is click that and it'll take you to our campaigns page, and you'll notice here that we have an iPhone app, we have an Android app, and we have a mobile website app. And the mobile website isn't necessarily an app, but if you go to m.yeptext.com on any cell phone that is obviously has an internet connection, you will be able to have all the same features as the apps as if you downloaded it. So there's a few ways you can do it. If you have an iPhone, all you have to do is click on the App Store little buy button right here. Well, not a buy button, but take you to the page where you can get it, and it is a free app. So don't worry, you don't have to purchase it. It's not going to cost you any money, and this is what it'll look like once you join. You'll be able to send single messages, send group messages, inbox, contacts. You can do everything from your actual account on your phone, which is an awesome thing to do if you're on the go. The other thing about it is we have the Android app, so that'll allow you to actually use your Android phone to do it in the Droid marketplace. Now, if you also are on your phone and you want to find the apps, what you can do is just go to your marketplace on your phone, and you can just search YepText and it should come up. So it's very, very simple. And again, for the mobile website, it's just m.yeptext.com. So we are actually one of the only texting services out there who offer an app for you to use. So definitely make sure you take action and use our apps. They're all free, and you can definitely get a lot out of it if you take action and use it. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Hopefully you'll use our apps, and thanks for watching. See you later.